That's with the brake on. This is with it off. On again. You can hear the friction from the felt brake.